Hey everybody, Timey7 here, and it is now time to do my BoxyCharm unboxing. I have not looked, I have no idea what's in here, so let's get this done because I'm excited, and so is the dog next door. Alright, so what have we got this month? Let's see. Well, there's coupons. Oh, I can't look at the little thingy because it tells me everything that's in there, and I don't want to do it that way. I like to be surprised as I go along, you know? So let's see what we have here. We're going to start with something that's right on top. The Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher Argan Oil. So let's open up and take a look at what this is. Desert Rose. So it sounds like it's a blush. Sounds like it's a really nice blush. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, it's got a little brush. That's a very pretty color. I like that. I like that color. And there's a nice mirror. And the dogs like it too. Can you tell? They're so excited they won't shut up. So I'm just going to work through it. I like that blush a lot. And I'm almost out of the blush that I use like as my base blush. Like one of my favorites. So that's good because this is a good color. It's a nice substitution, which makes me happy. I like when things come that I don't have to go and buy something else now that my favorite is running out. Next item is Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel by Dr. Brandt. Now, if you guys know me at all, which I think you do by now, you can see them right now. I need some depuffing like almost all the time because I barely get any sleep. So this is a very good product for me. I'm happy to try it because I have wanted to try something like that for a long time and I never got around to it. Next item is Tantalizing Top Eyebrow Cream from Chella. Not quite sure what that is. I'm assuming it's an eyebrow like... Oh, it's inside here. You go in here. Thank God it's in there because I just dropped it on the ground. So this is the Tantalizing Top Eyebrow Cream. And it just sounds like it's like an eyebrow pencil, only it's not a pencil. And don't look at my eyebrows today, people, please, because they're horrible. I'm trying to let them grow in. And I don't do eyebrows well at all. So I hope you found some humor in them. Thank God I wear glasses. Okay, there's a brush that goes along with it. And then when you open the other side, and I found this out because I just dropped it. On the other side, you open it up carefully. And what you find is inside is where it's at. So you use the brush, dip it in, and then you draw your eyebrows on, which I probably need some assistance in doing because I have lovely hand spasms. And if I go ahead and try and do this, they're going to look like they do today, or I'm going to draw them all over the place. We'll see how this works. This is the second time I have received a mascara in this sort of container, and I like it a lot. I have one that I got sample size from another company. And that one, I find it's very, I don't know, you get everything on there that needs to be on there, but you leave behind like clumps and things like that. It works really well. So I'm very happy. Look at the brush. Can you see that? It's curved, that beautiful curve. So all you got to do is wiggle a little bit as you pull it, and you'll get the perfect eyelashes. Love it. And I can't use fake eyelashes because I have my glasses. My eyelashes by themselves are large enough that once I put mascara on, sometimes they hit my glasses. So putting fake eyelashes on, for me, is redundant, unfortunately. The good news is that last month I found a really nice friend who is going to really enjoy those eyelashes. Now, last but oh so not least, because this is always my favorite part. Let's see what we got here. It is by Crown Pro. Now let's see if my lovely hands can open this, because I'm always having fun trying to open stuff, as you know. Here we go. Crown. I see the ingredient list. Let's open it. What's inside? It's eyeshadow. I saw something that said eyeshadow. Ooh, very, very pretty colors this month. Check those out. Those golds and browns and redishes. Ooh, that's a very nice palette. That's a really nice palette. And then there's the beautiful mirror that comes with it. I am a happy camper. I truly am. This is my second BoxyCharm box, and I am very, very happy with it. I will be continuing to get BoxyCharm and continuing to unbox them for you. So, what do we have again this month in BoxyCharm? Well, let's make sure I didn't miss anything, because last time I missed something hidden very in the end, and then I realized it last second. So, didn't miss anything. My box is a little broken up, but everything got here safely, thank God. So, what do we have this month? We have the Crown Pro Eyeshadow Palette. We have the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume Mascara. We have the Chella Tantalizing Top Eyebrow Cream to work on these brows they know I need help with. We have the No More Baggage, Get Rid of Those Puffy Eyes from Dr. Brandt. And last but not least, we have the Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher with argan oil in the color Desert Rose. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will see you real soon. I'm so glad that you found your way to where the wild things are, and that you, I hope, are one of my wild ones. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss out on anything I post. Thank you so much for being here, and you guys go rock on. See you real soon.